Hi. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to guide you through uploading your first file on Scribewave. First things first, head over to scribewave.com and click on Start for Free. Once there, you can log in. If you're already logged in, you're all set to start transcribing your first file right away, and it's free. There are two ways to get your file into the system. The first method is to simply drag and drop a file into the editor. Let me show you how. All right, I've dragged the file in, and you'll notice a pop-up appears, giving me the option to transcribe the file. Alternatively, you can choose to click on Upload, located in the upper right corner. Once you click Upload, you'll need to select the language of your audio, and then you'll have some choices to make. First, you can rename your file. For instance, I've named mine Red Hot Chili Peppers Interview. If you want to transcribe filler words like and be sure to enable verbatim mode. You can also add custom vocabulary to ensure accurate transcription. So here I've added Fleer, the bassist for the Red Hot Chili Peppers, since it's an uncommon name, and then I click Upload. By the way, you can upload multiple files too. Once uploaded, the transcript will be processed, typically taking about a minute. When it's ready, you can click on it to edit or listen to it. As you edit, you'll notice different speakers are identified. You can click on a speaker's name to change it if needed. You can easily play the audio to follow along with the text. Feel free to edit as you see fit. For example, you might want to place an within brackets. Every word is time-synced, allowing you to adjust the playback speed, say to 1.4, to efficiently review the transcript. When the audio progresses to a new paragraph, the editor will follow. Even if you skip around, the editor will scroll to the right paragraph automatically. There are additional features too. You can translate the transcript into different languages. You can highlight words based on their confidence level. For instance, setting it to 60% will highlight words that may need review. The search and replace feature is handy if a word is consistently transcribed incorrectly. Just search for it and replace it. Then there's the Analyze tab, which lets you engage with your transcript. For instance, if you ask which countries are mentioned, it will accurately identify and list countries such as England and Japan. You can create a cleaned-up version of your transcript or even auto-suggest codes for thematic analysis. The third tab is the Timeline tab. Here, you can craft an interactive video from your audio. You can personalize it with your branding by adjusting colors and styles. Upload an image to add to your video. You can also upload a cover image by clicking on the designated option. I've just uploaded one that has been added to the video. Once your video is ready, you can export it. Choose your preferred format, like a square format, and then download your video. And there you have it. Those are the basic features of Scribewave.